YB, I'm about through with your miss, bro. Look what we looking at, dog. Just take a peek at what we looking at. We looking at this nigga back in court, right? Now this shit did happen a couple days ago, bro. This is my first time sitting down in the past 3-4 days, bro. Nigga been working, nigga been on that little grind, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know how that shit gets. Yeah, nah, that nigga didn't grow a whole motherfucking, oh shit, he been wolfing.
All rise. Order for the first judicial district of the state of Utah and for the county of Cache is now in session. The Honorable Judge Spencer D. Walk is presiding. You may be seated.
All right, good morning. Let's call the case of State of Utah versus Kentrell Deshaun Galden, case 241100468. Counsel, please state your names.
Bro. What's that nigga full name, bro?
You may be seated.
What's his full name?
Good morning.
I never heard Kentrell's full name before, so I just want to.
Utah versus Kentrell Deshaun Galden.
Kentrell Deshaun Godwin. Boy, that shit ratchet as hell. Oh, weekend fuck. Oh, they did them dirt. Dirt vibe.
Counsel, please state your names for the record.
Look, eager ass.
Counsel for the state and myself have been in negotiation really since yesterday, but throughout this morning, and I've explained those negotiations to Mr. Galden. We are going to waive a preliminary hearing in this matter. In exchange for that, a bond will be set at $100,000. Mr. Galden will be able to use a commercial company to make that bond. That will be an aggregate bond covering everything in total, as contained in the charging instrument.
That shit light as hell between that. What the
Thank
fuck?
you, Mr. Finley. Mr. Keller, does that accurately represent the agreement that's been reached between the state and Mr. Galden?
Yes, it does, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Galden, have you had enough time to speak to your attorneys about this decision to waive your right to your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
And
Damn, nigga, are those your kids or are those shorties I see tatted on your face, twin? Bro, I feel like these rap niggas, they just, like, every time they get a bitch, that's a new tat. I'm starting to really feel like that. I be seeing certain rappers, bro, and they be having, like, 10 different bitches' names on their shit. I know they ain't all your cousins, and I know they ain't all your sisters, twin. What the fuck you got going on, bro? But nah, it's kind of like a love-hate relationship I got for YB right now. It's like, bro, my nigga, you been getting in trouble since I was like fucking 14, bro. I'm 20. You know what I'm saying? Yo ass stealing, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, we was screaming free YB all my life. I'm through with the shit, bro. Get your shit together.
the court has to view all the evidence that it would receive in a light most favorable to the government, to the prosecution.
Get your motherfucking
Understanding
shit
that legal standard and having had discussions with your attorneys, do you hereby waive your right to your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
All right. The court finds that Mr. Galden has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to his preliminary hearing. He will be bound over for trial on all the charges set forth in the information, the charging document in this case. Bail will be set through stipulation of the parties at $100,000.
Damn.
Bondable. And in talking to the attorneys, it sounds like they would like to set this out for an arraignment at a later point in time. Mr. Finley, would you like to go ahead and articulate anything specific related to that?
Yes, Your Honor. As discussed in chambers, and I explained to Mr. Galden, even if it's set up for arraignment, say in 60 days, the court has made it clear through discussion with counsel, if there is a resolution well before then, we're welcome to come back before Your Honor at any point in the future.
Okay, very good. So we'll set Mr. Galden's arraignment out in about 60 days. That arraignment would take place through WebEx. We'll have Mr. Galden brought here to the courthouse, and then if Mr. Finley would like to appear remotely for that hearing, he may do so. Also, if the attorneys reach some sort of resolution prior to those 60 days expiring, then just reach out to Angie and we'll get that on my calendar in a timely fashion. And
See how the mood of the whole motherfucking courtroom changed when they say 100,000. And what's so crazy is, bro, for rap niggas, this is them just getting off, son. They're like, shit, 100,000, nigga, I need my shit, you know? You know? I ain't even read what the nigga did, bro. I just heard it was some scamming shit, with some fraud shit, or some goofy shit. Hell nah. How your ass up there in Utah getting in trouble?
a date about 60 days out for that arraignment on a
That's
Monday
crazy,
morning,
fuck.
probably. July 1st, at what time? 9? Okay, so that would be July 1st at 9 a.m. or 1:30 p.m. Mountain Time, whatever you'd prefer.
Either one.
Okay, let's do 9 a.m. Does that work for the state?
It does, yes.
All right, Mr. Galden, your arraignment will be July 1st, 9 a.m. You'll be brought over from the Cache County Jail, assuming that you're still incarcerated. If not, you'd be able to appear remotely for that hearing as well, or appear in person, whatever your preference would be.
Wow. He could do his fucking court hearing remote. That's crazy as fuck. Hell nah.
Is there anything else that needs to be stated on the record here today, counsel?
On behalf of Mr. Golden.
Further from the state.
All right, with that, we'll conclude this hearing. Court is adjourned.
Y'all know, like, back in school and shit, how, like, a nigga would be in ISS. You'll be in class, like, doing your shit, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, you had good parents and shit. So, like, your ass knew right from wrong. So, your ass sitting up in that motherfucker doing your shit. And the whole time, you see your bad-ass homeboy pop out in that little window. Cheesing like a motherfucker, knowing he going right back to motherfucking A school. That shit crazy. Hell no. And all y'all can do is laugh. That shit crazy as fuck. This is blasphemy. This man will never stop getting away with shit until he runs out of money. And I don't know if he'll do that. So, shit. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to the channel, share the content. It's been your boy John. And I'm out this bit. Okay.